right, 882 Foxtrot. Yeah, I wanted to get out before everyone, or else we couldn't wait it back at the end.
Oh, okay.
Good.
Time 8 Echo Foxtrot, right turn to golf, ground point 7.
Are those T6?
Yes.
Right turn to golf. Please do it at Foxtrot. Number 2520 Papa, running 16 right, clear for takeoff.
2520 Papa, clear for takeoff, 16. Come on! He hasn't even moved yet.
Cessna 18820 is holding short 16 right in sequence for right crossing. Taxi close pattern. Expedite your departure. Our other aircraft waiting to use runway 20 Papa, 16 right, clear for takeoff. Please tell Papa welcome.
That's what I said.
And number 1882 Sierra, Van Nuys Tower, hold short and 16 right. Hold short 16 right, 82 Sierra.
A lot of traffic.
Sunday, weather's nice, it's warm. Yeah. What are you doing? Okay.
So basically we're going to wait till all these take off?
I think we're next, but God only knows.
Oh, okay.
Kind of like a first come, first served basis.
Oh, okay.
Welcome to the Van Nuys Airport, it's busy.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot, Van Nuys Tower, 16 right, clear for takeoff, right crossing approved.
16 right cleared for takeoff, right crossing approach approved, 882 Foxtrot. Alright, put your left hand on the control wheel.
Van Nuys Tower,
Put your right hand on the throttle.
With you at 2
I'll tell you to, we're going to go full throttle. You got 1 Mississippi.
Number 96 blowing Quebec, Van Nuys Tower, make right traffic, running 16 right, Fort Midfield.
Good, your hands are good.
Midfield, right traffic, 16 right, Fort Quebec.
Alright, give me full power. I got your feet. There you go. Push, 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 push. No, just 1 Mississippi.
Oh, okay.
1 Mississippi. Push it all the way in. There you go.
Alright, Cessna 1882 Sierra, Van Nuys Tower, 16 right.
There you go.
So takeoff, say direction of flight.
I like to see in the pattern. With your left hand started empty, fully back. Alright. With your left hand only. Put your right hand back on your knee. There you go.
Copy that,
Keep your nose right there.
Yeah, copy that.
You're fine.
Oh, wow.
Just drive the nose. Drive the nose. I don't see any helicopters.
220 is a Seminole on a 1 mile final. Still clear for takeoff. Make left traffic 16 left. Left traffic 16 left. 820. Good day.
Wow. Tower 882 Foxtrot up in. What is the plane in front of us doing?
882 Foxtrot, say again.
What is the plane in front of us doing?
They're doing a down departure.
Okay, just want to make sure. We'll turn outside of him and follow 882 Foxtrot. Alright, I didn't know what he's doing, so we don't want to go inside of him because he's making a 180 degree turn.
Oh, okay.
We're not really doing a 180 degree turn. We're doing a 135 degree turn.
Okay.
But we don't want to cut inside of him because it'd be midair. That makes sense.
No. Whoa.
Doing fine. Alright back there? They're just looking out the window. You know if someone's not safe when they're looking at the
Papa, what's your destination?
Magic Mountain 2520 Papa. Okay. Oh God, it's bumpy over there. What's going on? Tower for Sierra Papa, just to advise him by Magic Mountain, it's very, very bumpy.
And number 20 Papa, someone just gave us a report that they said it's very bumpy out by Magic Mountain. 2520 Papa, Roger, thank you.
Yeah. He's going that way. Very turbulent, but on by Magic Mountain.
Oh, okay. We're not going that way.
Falling Quebec, running 16 right, clear land.
Roger, midfield, clear land for Falling Quebec, 16 right.
We're going to go to 1 Echo Foxtrot,
We're
ground
going to
point
level here, actually, for a minute. So just pitch.
Van Nuys Tower, Diamond 309 at Echo.
That's off.
Holding short, 16 right for the straight out departure.
We have to stay low because the arrival is to Burbank.
Southwest,
FedEx, yes. They're all going into Burbank, so we have to stay rather low here.
Oh, okay. Copy.
Once we pass Topanga, we're clear of all airspace.
Oh, okay.
Topanga's that major road right over there.
Oh, okay.
Van Nuys Tower, Condor 1 and flight, ready to go, 16 right. Condor 1, 5 Van Nuys Tower, hold short, 16 right.
You're fine.
16 right for Condor 1 flight. You want us to taxi up to the hold bars, or is this 172 going to go ahead of us? Condor 1 flight, they haven't called me yet, so you can move up your next step and say your direction of flight.
We'll be doing a right there.
Departure for Condor 1 and flight.
Van Nuys Tower, Cessna 21705, holding short of 16 right at Charlie for right turnout.
Cessna 21705, Van Nuys Tower, hold short, 16 right.
Holding short 16 right, 70.
And remember to see your contact tower on 120.2. Contact tower on 120.2, Cessna 2.
You can make a gradual
2520 Papa Van Nuys Tower, we're headed to
terrain required. So drive the nose. Just see how I do it? Put the nose like that. That's it.
Okay, Papa, change up plans. We're going to go to...
We don't need to go super high, just as high as we need to do.
Papa,
Clear terrain.
transition Simi Valley, good. 2520 Papa.
Whoa. Fine. Everyone okay? You took the headset off. Uh-oh. It might be... No, it's fine, but it just...
Grumman 82 Fox, if you're going to be working in Simi Valley doing practice maneuvers, that Cessna decided to go out there also. He's at about your 3 to 4 o'clock and about 2 miles westbound 2,700.
We got the traffic in sight, and yes, we're also going towards Simi Valley for 882 Foxtrot.
Cessna 252 Sierra Papa, you got traffic at about 9 to 10 o'clock and 2 miles of Grumman. Altitude indicates 2,400, and they'll be working Simi Valley also.
We're not going to go that low. Cessna departed, Van Nuys, are you on 2277.5? Whoa. Whoa.
Cessna 5298 Juliet, Van
Whoa.
6 right.
Straight in, 16 right, 98 Juliet.
Alright.
Quebec, turn right at Golf, ground point 7.
Back up.
Condor 1 flight, Van Nuys Tower, 16 right, clear for takeoff, right down departure approved, out of below 2,500 till north of the airport. Clear takeoff out of below 2.5 till north of Condor 1 hand flight. Clear for takeoff.
Tower, Grumman 882 Foxtrot, clear the class Delta. We'll be on 122775, that other Cessna still with me.
122.77, Roger, I'll let him know.
Simi Valley area traffic, Grumman 882 Foxtrot, 3,200 climbing, doing some air work over Simi Valley. Cessna departed Van Nuys prior to me. Are you on this frequency?
And Cessna 2.
He's not on the freaking radio. Oh. You know what, it might be a little bumpy here too. You know, why don't we stay over the West Valley, which is fine, make a left turn, give me a medium bank. Alright, here, I'll help you.
Take over.
Alright.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, no worries.
Cessna 217.
I knew it was bumpy over there, I thought it'd be clear over here. I knew about there, I didn't have any reports for over here, maybe no one gave it. So we'll just stay over this area.
Copy.
Weird winds today.
Yeah.
16 right, clear for takeoff, right crossing approved.
Alright, we'll stay here in the West Valley.
Okay. Perfect.
We can actually head out towards Malibu for now, I guess. Okay?
Okay.
You more comfortable?
I'd rather you fly it. I'm sorry.
Sorry. Okay, no biggie. This is how I fly. We're clear of all airspace, so we're fine. We have unrestricted altitude.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Does that mean basically we can fly as high or low as we want?
Where we are, yes, we can fly as high as low as we want. Once we start going towards that ridgeline, which should be smooth because I'm flying there all day, Los Angeles starts at 5,000 feet.
Oh, okay.
MSL. Right now we're at 3,200 feet.
Okay.
And we'll stay at this altitude. 3,000 feet is fine. No need to go any higher.
Okay.
I went lower, actually.
Yeah, we don't want to go low unless we're landing.
Oh, no. I actually like flying low.
Yeah.
You feel better now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm a little nervous over there.
No, I understand, and I don't want to keep you there long, but right now, at this point, I want you to get a feel for the controls. You can give me a right turn, a left turn. You can make it go up, down, down. The only thing is make sure you keep your eyes out the window before you start a turn in any direction.
Oh, okay.
Because ultimately, we're responsible, and it's better actually to make a right than a left. If you keep the left thing tight, you're fine. Right turn's unrestricted. If you feel you need to go higher, you can do that as well.
Copy.
Are you a police officer or something?
No.
Because they say copy a lot.
Sorry, I
had a student named Andy. He was a San Jose Police Department. And every time I say anything, he's like, copy. So, yeah, you're free like a bird.
Thank you. It feels amazing flying out here. I went to a car show. I have an old car, and they had a T6 there.
Okay.
And it was 160 for just a quick spin. Oh man, I jumped on it. It was amazing. And now, since today's my birthday, my wife got me this instructor for flight lesson. It's awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, sorry about the bumps. I knew by Magic Mountain it was bumpy. I had no idea by there it was also bumpy. So.
No, it's okay. It's not your fault. Just it's weather, huh? Wow. So we're gonna keep going straight, or?
Yeah, we can go straight and then make a turn back towards Van Nuys.
Okay.
And get used to trying with just your left hand.
Okay.
You're not driving an automobile on the 405 freeway. It's an airplane. When in doubt, just let go.
So this is Malibu area?
Yeah.
Wow.
Actually, I think we may be a little south of Malibu. I don't know if we clip Santa Monica from where we are. Whoa.
When should I start turning to the left?
We're 15 minutes into the flight. We'll give it about another minute-ish. Enjoy the view.
Yeah, it is gorgeous. Is that Catalina way over there, or is that?
You know, I'm not so sure. Catalina should be. I think that is Catalina.
Alright, hey, we got a plane over there.
You mean the one departing LAX?
Oh, okay, that's
No, back there. You can give me a left turn back towards Van Nuys.
Okay.
And as terrain allows, we'll start a descent. That doesn't mean start descending right now.
Oh, okay.
As terrain allows. And you can give me a little bit more bank.
Okay.
There you go. Medium bank, 30 degrees is fine. Right now that's about a 30-degree bank angle.
Okay.
And you see Van Nuys Airport?
Okay, is that it right over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Straight. And again, as terrain allows, we'll start a descent.
Got it.
ATIS information, uniform.
Uniform. I'm going to give you a little bit bit more power. No need to descend or climb. Just keep the altitude. You're fine where you're at.
You got it.
Feel better now? A little bit more relaxed?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry about that over there. It happens.
I think I was a little more nervous about the other plane that wasn't on the radio.
Oh no, I saw him the whole entire time. I can do a lot with this airplane in a very short amount of time in terms of up, down, left, right, fast, or slow. Well, not to say fast, but I can slow us very quickly.
Alright.
But the one thing we have is that, you know, not that you don't have in a car, is we have vertical.
Yeah.
We're three-dimensional. What is this called? I don't know. Tanga? Van Nuys Tower, Grumman 882 Foxtrot is inbound. We have ATIS information uniform, and we're in the vicinity of Tanga. Forgot the name of the reservoir, forgive me. We're from the southwest.
Time at 882 Foxtrot, Van Nuys Tower, Squawk 0213.
Squawk 0213 for Grumman 882 Foxtrot. We are perfect. We'll start a descent now down to 2,000 feet in a gradual slowdown. Do you see the control tower from here, by chance? If you don't, that's okay. It's right in front of us. We're going to head straight for the control tower.
Can I tell her Warrior 69
and the San Fernando Valley is like a waffle. Everything's perfectly. We're going to make a spike.
709 Tango, Van Nuys Tower. Traffic, runway 16 right.
Left
0220.
What is the name of this reservoir?
Right traffic 16 right, 0220, 09er Tango.
Van Nuys Tower, 70756 Alpha, and down on the ILS. 70756 Alpha, Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 right, good land. Clear land, 16 right, 756 Alpha.
Van Nuys Tower, that's up 65813 at U-Haul path, inbound for landing, we have uniform.
65813 Van Nuys Tower, make straight in, runway 16 right, full crossing the 118 freeway.
Straight in, runway 16 right.
You see the control tower now?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to head straight for it, then make a left 45-degree turn.
09er Tango, you're going to follow with Grumman at about 2 o'clock and 3 miles, also entering the pattern off to your right.
Someone's following us.
Okay, we're looking for traffic. Do you have an altitude on them?
Yeah, altitude indicates 2,100. They're just crossing the 101 freeway eastbound, entering on a 45.
Okay, thanks for looking.
Now, pick a road.
Take it, 673.
Any road.
Okay.
And fly parallel to it. There you go.
Got it.
And you see the runway? So now we're parallel and opposite to the direction we're going to land.
Okay.
Good.
No.
We're actually at 673, Van Nuys Tower, you on?
673, I thought it pulled ready.
673, Van Nuys Tower, cross, runway 16 left, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff.
Crossing 16 left, 16 right, clear for takeoff.
Now, you may not know it or feel it. There's a slight wind this way.
Van Nuys Tower, Bonanza
I see the nose going straight.
Yeah, with you on
I see it's going this way.
Oh, okay. VFRMS.
There's a 1570 Zulu, Van
We
Nuys
need a
Tower,
round track to be parallel to the runway. Not necessarily the nose is pointing.
Did they give you missed approach instructions already?
They did not.
Number 700, what's your request after that?
I'm going to do a Burbank VOR approach.
Number 82 Foxtrot, turn left 30 degrees for traffic.
Left 30 degrees due to traffic, 882 Foxtrot. Okay, turn that way because of traffic.
Number 700,
Right there,
your
you're fine.
descent down to 1,500 for traffic and plan on a low approach over only 16 right.
Roger, I spud down to 1,500, low approach 16 right.
Number 82 Foxtrot, traffic's at about 12 to 1 o'clock, 1 mile descending on the ILS approaches of Bonanza, 2,200 indicated.
I don't see the Bonanza, but I have a plane at my 12 moving at 1 o'clock.
The Bonanza's on the VOR, not the ILS.
I'm sorry, he's on the VOR. That's correct. For 82 Foxtrot, he's just passing off to your right now.
Okay, we have the traffic in sight. Should we follow him to enter the base?
82 Foxtrot, we just continue north on a downwind now on a wide downwind.
We continue north on a wide downwind for 882 Foxtrot.
Bonanza 70 Zulu, make a right turn now southbound and suggest a heading up 160 and I'll give you another heading here south of the airport.
Roger, turning to 160 right now.
Project 673, contact SoCal.
You get the scenic
We are trying to get to your left in the pattern on the crosswind.
Jet 673, traffic, we'll guide departure.
673 contact SoCal, see ya.
See ya.
Number 56 Alpha is number 1, runway 16 right, cleared to land.
Clear land, 756 Alpha. Very nice, Todd. Clear.
Number 09 Tango, turn north onto the downwind now, 09 Tango.
We are.
Number 82 Foxtrot, you're going to follow a Cessna just passing on your right now. You can turn base now.
Turning base, 882 Foxtrot.
Alright, give me a 90-degree turn.
Say again?
Get out there, no more bank angle, please. Okay. It's uncomfortable for the people in the backseat. I don't mind. It's fine.
872 Tango over Warner Center requesting
how are we doing now? Fine.
And November 813, runway 16 right here, clear land number 2.
We're going to the big runway.
Number 2812.
I'll let you take over. You're doing
And
fine.
number 2 Whiskey Tango, start taking your position.
Over Warner Center at 2100.
I'm going to drop the
Number 2
flaps.
Whiskey
No one's
Tango,
going to want to do up.
0222.
Okay?
Okay.
Clocking 0222.
The nose down.
Okay.
Let the nose come down. Push a little bit, push a little bit. There you go.
Very nice, so about 20202, holding short,
One half.
Sorry.
Start making a right turn towards the big runway.
Okay.
And I'm going to drop more flaps. Gonna
09 Tango, we still following the Grumman.
09 Tango, firm, you're going to follow the Grumman. November 700, suggest turn now of 210, just heading at 210, maintain VFR at 3,500.
Okay.
And contact SoCal 134.2.
Roger 700, thank you.
Number 76 Alpha, turn right here at Kilo and contact ground point 7 Alpha Kilo.
Contacting Kilo, I want to ground, 756 Alpha.
And November, correction, executive 230, cross runway 16 left, hold short runway 16 right.
Cross 16
Now, you notice on the left side of the runway, you got a red light and a white light.
Runway 82 Foxtrot, just keep it slow as practical on. Final traffic departing ahead of you will be a Falcon.
Okay, slow as practical and final 882 Foxtrot.
Foxtrot, if you could, why don't you make a right S turn for me and give me a lot of space.
Alright, making S turns, 882 Foxtrot.
Tango, just square your turn on the final. The Grumman's maneuvering to help me out.
09 Tango, look up.
813, I need you off the runway as soon as possible after landing.
813, can we do tap and go?
On A1, I need you off the runway as soon as possible. 813, exit the runway.
813, roger.
And November, executive 230, runway 16 right, line up and wait.
6 right, line up and wait, 30.
32 Foxtrot, that's good enough. You can turn back to the runway now.
Making a left turn, 882 Foxtrot.
Contact ground point 7, Hotel Alpha Golf here. Executive 230, runway 16 right, clear for immediate takeoff.
6 right, clear for immediate takeoff, 30.
Number 09 Tango, traffic ahead, low for the other runway. Foxtrot, just constantly turns to the Falcon. He's rolling now, runway 16 right, clear to land. Thanks for the help.
16 right, cleared to land. And what's the plane behind me doing?
Number 09 Tango, why don't you make a right S turn to follow the Grumman ahead of you. I need to build a little more space now.
09 Tango.
82 Foxtrot, don't worry about it. I got to take care of him.
Thank you.
Number 2 Whiskey Tango, turn north onto the downwind right traffic, 16 right, expect runway 16 left.
Alright.
Good eye.
Downwind, 872 Whiskey Tango.
Executive 230, contact SoCal, 6230 before you go, traffic ahead and to your left in the pattern.
You think we can make the runway even if we lost the engine here? Oh, I think so. You're a glider.
And 09 Tango, spacing is good, runway 16 right, clear to land. Thanks for the help.
Glider.
09 Tango, no problem.
And just continue to fly the airplane, but you don't have to worry about power.
Alrighty. Number 2 Whiskey Tango, continue downwind and contact tower 120.2. They're going to call your base for the other
Far
runway.
into the runway?
Continuing downwind,
You can stay on the controls. You're doing fine.
Yeah, that is correct, and that's going to be for runway 16 left. 16 left and contact tower 120.2.
For 16 left, 120.2, 872 Whiskey Tango.
I make this one.
Grumman 82 Foxtrot, appreciate your help out there. Ground point 7, we'll see you.
No problem. Ground point 7, 882 Foxtrot.
Awesome.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Ground Grumman 882 Foxtrot is off at Hotel, taxi to ROTOR FX.
Grumman 1882 Foxtrot, Van Nuys ground off at Hotel, taxi to ROTOR F via Alpha.
ROTOR F via Alpha, Grumman 882 Foxtrot.
And Hawker 4 Tango Romeo, just verified that you will not exceed 250, not 245. Question, Hawker 4 Tango Romeo, read back is correct.
Grounded, Jet 551.
Jet 551, Van Nuys ground.
Yeah, I had a maintenance thing pop up. Can I swing into this ramp off my left here, or my right here and park for a minute? Please do, get out of my way.
Jet 551, proof is requested and do you require any assistance?
I'm negative, it's just, we're going to have to look in the book here for a minute.
Jet 551, just be advised that is not in control with the tower there you're going into now, but we'll advise you to only taxi up, request a taxi from Bravo 1.
Okay, I appreciate it, guys. I just didn't want to swing in here on my own without asking. It's not them anyway, it's someone else.
Oh, okay.
Well, you got the Grand Tour Van Nuys.
7065,
Oh, no, this is amazing. Thank you so much.
You went to the Riverside?
Affirmative, K route, RL.
70756 Alpha.
Beautiful.
That's the plane with the maintenance issue right there.
This one coming in?
No, that one.
Okay. Maintenance issue, that doesn't sound too good, huh?
That happens. Van Nuys ground, Cherokee 6909 Tango, off the after that golf, request taxi to 16 right.
Cherokee 6909 Tango, Van Nuys ground, taxi, correction, runway 16 right, taxi via Alpha Charlie.
16 right, taxi via Charlie, 09 Tango. Alpha Charlie, student pilot.
Oh.
Say you're a student pilot.
I'm a student pilot?
Yeah, you could say that. I'm a student pilot. Help me out here.
Oh, okay.
It's normal.
7056 Alpha, I be cleared, supervisor, ready to go.
Ready to copy 756 Alpha?
7056 Alpha is cleared to the Romeo Alpha Lima Airport via the Adam 1 departure. Victor 186, to Paradise, direct. Climb via set, except maintain 4,000. Expect 5,000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure will be on 124.6, squawk 4646.
Seminole 756 Alpha is cleared to Riverside via the Adam 1 departure. Victor 186, Paradise, and climb via the SID. Altitude 4,000, expect 5,000 to minutes after departure. Frequency 124.6, squawk 4646.
7056 Alpha, readback is correct.
Ground 3447 Bravo's at golf off of 16 left for taxi back takeoff.